I made this cute birthday card today using the Zany Zoo stamp set. Now, what I really used mostly was the paper that goes along with the stamp set. And look how there's one side that has color on it, and then there's this other side that has just different black and white prints. And I just love these prints, they're really fun. So I just cut out 1-inch strips and arranged them on the card front. And now I'm using the Nested Essentials dies, and I love how these go together. See how the different sizes just they go on top of each other and layer just perfectly. So now I'm just going to stamp a sentiment and we're going to layer it up on our card. It's a super simple card, and you could use all kinds of papers to make different layout looks for this. So I'm going to have all of the measurements and close-up pictures on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have it on there for you. I hope you enjoyed this card layout. Stop on by for all kinds of different ideas and layouts, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.